Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gabby and this is part 3 of our kitchen renovation series. In the last 2 videos, we shared the process of removing the wall between our kitchen and dining room. We also shared the process of changing out our flooring, building and installing brand new wooden cabinets, and installing our beautiful quartz countertops. If you haven't already, be sure to check those 2 videos out. I'll have them linked down below and up in the cards. Before we get started, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get started. They're here. She's so pretty. Kitchen update. This is what it's looking like. All the appliances got delivered. Only problem is that the fridge doesn't fit. So we have to return this one and get something a little bit smaller, which is a bummer, but okay, we are at Best Buy looking for a fridge. So this is the fridge that we have an order for, but it's much smaller. Like, this is tiny. Like, this is not even to my elbow. Really small. All right, y'all, please excuse the mess in the background. We are addressing that this weekend, but before we do that, we are getting ready to change out this faucet. This was just like a $20 one we got on Amazon, and we decided that since we have this beautiful brand new kitchen, we need a beautiful brand new faucet to follow. And so we picked up this Delta faucet. It's actually a touch one, which I'm super excited about. It's in matte black, and yeah, Michael's getting ready to install it now. So while Michael works on figuring out the faucets, I'm going to start cleaning up this house, which involves putting stuff in the cabinets. I have not put anything in the cabinets yet because I've been wanting to put some drawer liners inside of the drawers, so I'm going to do that. Before I'm installing the liners, I am going in and vacuuming. All right, so I was only able to do those 2 drawers with that one pack, so I'm going to do this 3rd one with it. I'm probably going to use these for the drawers and then the shelves that have my dishes, and then I'm gonna use a plastic one for the food since, you know, it'll be easier to wipe them out. Alrighty guys, I have been organizing. I also went to Home Goods to pick up some organization baskets, so let me show you what I have so far. We knew that storage was going to be an issue with this kitchen from the jump. We got rid of an entire wall full of cabinets, so trying to be really strategic about what we have and where has been a challenge for us, but I think that we have been able to make everything work, and we actually have surprisingly a lot more space than I thought we did. So this cabinet is all of the cooking supplies. So as you can see, we have our seasonings and oils, we have our bread, coffee. Over here we have some oatmeal and like canned goods, and then up here is just like the noodles, and then just like some other stuff that we need, maybe some extra seasonings and stuff that we don't use very often is all up here. Over here is like all the oils and grains. And this shelf is all of our dishes. Again, that top shelf just kind of went away because our microwave duct goes right through it, but we were able to save a little slim piece. So we do have like our plastic cups and travel mugs up there. We have all of our like regular coffee mugs over there. I do think that we're gonna get rid of some because we do not need that many. Like, that's a little bit crazy. And then over here we have our bowls and plates, and then here is where all of our cups are gonna go. We do need to buy some more cups, which is why this shelf is looking really empty. I also ended up getting some shelving units to kind of help with the dead space that's right there. So I'm gonna organize that with you guys. And then up here above the refrigerator, I ended up getting these really big baskets. so that we could use the space up here a little bit better. So this shelf has all of the snacks, and this basket has all of the baking stuff. So we don't really bake that often. We also don't really, we're not very snacky people. So I think this is the perfect spot. And then just right here in the middle, we have like our protein and chia seeds. Just that's easy to get to. We ended up getting these baskets from Home Goods because this is like way up here. Putting them in baskets helps be able to pull everything out and like look through it and then put it back. I also ended up getting these smaller shelves to help organize underneath the sink. And then speaking of underneath the sink, I ended up getting this organizer drawer. Really sturdy, like super sturdy. So I'm gonna go ahead and organize this cabinet. Reva shelf came in. This is the trash can thing that we bought in order to create a pull-out trash bin. So Michael's gonna show you how he installs it. To show you guys how this drawer ended up coming out. It ended up coming out really good. This was from Reva Shelf. I believe we got it from Lowe's. I'll leave everything down in the description, but we were basically able to turn our like regular cabinet. It looked like this, but with one door. We were able to turn it into a pull-out cabinet for trash. So we have the first one for trash, second one's gonna be recycling. Overall, I'm super happy with this product. And if you are looking to do something like this, I will leave all of the information below for you. All right, y'all, it's the next day. We finished organizing the kitchen and we cooked in it for the first time. It felt so nice. But we ended up getting some handles in the mail, and I want to show you what we got. We ended up getting 2 different options to choose from. So Michael really wanted a knurled option. So this is what this one looks like. Let me even look at it. Yeah? Yeah. This is what that looks like. And then we also ended up getting a fluted version. These are the ones that I liked. I just wanted to like try something different. Oh my gosh, these are much heavier. These are pretty. So they're fluted. And then there's a knob that goes with it. Let me go get it. Sorry for the fan in the background. Our microwave was working. But these are the fluted ones that I chose. I think they're pretty and simple. They have a little bit of an accent. Michael, thoughts? I think they're pretty. This is Michael's choice. And this one is my choice. Let me know what you guys think. All right, so these are our options. This pretty knurled one. Let me know down in the comments which one do you guys like more, the knurled or the fluted. House update, we ended up getting these hooks from Target to line the wall. That way we have a spot to put like our keys, jackets, Kyrie's leashes, things like that. So Michael is getting ready to mount the first one. Michael finished installing the knurled handles and they look really good. So we are going to do pulls on all of the drawers and then knobs on all of the doors. But he did all of the drawers today and they look so nice. And it's nice to finally be able to like open drawers without having to, what did you say, Michael? Michael said that not having hardware on the cabinets is the equivalent to peeling your nails off every time you need to open the drawer, which is hilarious. All right, so update on the kitchen. Underneath the wall and the countertop, there's like this huge gap that we need to fill in. So Michael chose this molding to go underneath it, but I'm starting to think that just like basic crown molding would look better just because it's clean and it doesn't attract your eye underneath there as much. So either way, Michael needs to cut out this shim, you can see right there, before we staple anything to it. So that's what he's about to do. Whoa. This is the molding that Michael wants. Which, I mean, like, it doesn't look bad, but I just feel like it's really busy.
Is it though? It's very simple.
I think it's busy, babe.
It's all about the details, babe. It's all about the details.
I just feel like that looks clean and simple and not like in your face. All right, so we decided that we're gonna do the quarter round, and while Michael licks his wounds, he is painting the walls, just touching them up because they look bad. All right, so I forgot to film an outro, but that was it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The next video will be the final reveal for the kitchen makeover, so be sure to like, follow, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.